She was the head of house. She and her friend pulled me for toilet. When I call, I
Okay,
asked,
another week then put in us. So.
yes. Never.
I knew something was coming because it was obviously a setup. Either I fell into the trap.
Ever since these people enter house, I don't think Nelly has breathed. They've just been coming for this girl back to back, like, Biggie, I know that we wanted drama, but is this people not intentional? Is it not getting too much? Because I know that in their mind will be like, we have nothing to lose. After all, we've been evicted in the house. We're just called to spice things up. I just hope that maybe after the show, they just get to reconcile with the housemates, because what is this? Like, it's obvious. Like, people will be like, is this not too much? Guys, I don't know if you feel like, I don't know if you understand what I mean. I get the fact that maybe the big brother must have called you guys and said, okay, since you guys have one or two beefs with one of the housemates in the house, I want you guys to go give me basketballs. The house is getting boring. Spice things up. Let everywhere get fire. Do you get? Since then, Anita never they lift off anyhow. Even I don't notice how. Even from the first day, now the way the girl can't grab tougher mat like this, I be like, sister is now marking 33. The last time I checked, she poured away the food Topher gave her. Now she don't mark 33. Hey God, I know people, they will become the most talk about, because of course that's what the management wants. But at the same time, try to remember outside world, because this is a relationship you plan to keep, because you don't know who may help you tomorrow. And I like the way Wani has been keeping her cool all this while. I think she understood the assignment of Big Brother's plan. In fact, I will tell you that Wani has studied Big Brother, because she knows that probably reason why Big Brother brought these people is back is to just flare up some pepper in their distant, but she's not going to give them. It remains for people that to come inside that house, because the housemates are already prepared. And once you have people like Cozy and those in your house, I don't think there's anything wrong going to happen. Do you think that they're actually doing a little too much? Or do you think that they're actually acting up the assignment they were given to, come and pump out the house? Those that were laying back before to start maintaining their steeds and getting up to do the needful. Even Nelly, we know they even talked before. They don't make Nelly talk. Especially Chinwe, she just came for Nelly back to back. Like, if you open your mouth, I squeeze you. That kind of situation. I was like, even this thing make Nelly, and Nelly just they talk. They will be poking them, because if you hear the conversations Ruthee has been having lately, you see that she's going to be provocating these people, which I don't think is even a wise thing for Big Brother to allow that, because I feel like in your rule book, provocation is not supposed to be there. So I don't think there is any need for her to be poking people. I think her target is Wani, and obviously she noticed that Wani is not giving her that thing that she's actually looking for. So, but the other two, the way they are having Nelly, like Nelly, okay, I think DAMI is going for tougher. Let's see how it goes, because Biggie, I must say, you came late. A week to the finale, I don't think it's even a wise thing to do, because you're just, except you want to just play around the free or the week that is remaining. So, play around it and make sure you gather the traffic that they needed, of course, because that's the reason for the show. So, guys, what do you actually think? Do you think that they are overdoing the game thing, or making it obvious to us that people actually sent them to come and cause chaos and stuff like that? What do you think, guys? So, guys, if you've watched to this point, thank you guys so much. If you're new here, please kindly hit the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. And if you're also a subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. See you guys in my next video. Bye.